Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Two of our midfielders are injured. We replace them with a roughing player. Manchester United might be a tough team to beat. We try.
The fans take their seats. The ref is moments away from starting the game. This then, how the home team is lining up. Now let's look at the away team. And the match kicks off. And now De Bruyne. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Here's Watkins. Is this the moment? He was a long way out, but it made little difference. He struck at such an important time here to put his team in front.
Ollie Watkins
Fantastic
recorded
goal.
her name on the scoreboard.
Wayward pass, normally so accurate with his distribution. Good interception. And it's opened up here. Put away. Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues.
Absolutely beautiful goal from Moussa Diaby.
Dallo with the ball. He did well to win the ball back. They've misplaced a lot of their passes. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. Good defending. Oh, that's great determination. Oh, nice finish. He's put them back into it. The manager will really be pleased with his efforts for the goal.
Oh
Let's
no,
hope for more of the
Emiliano
same.
Martinez blunders again.
They're moving the ball about so well. He loves to run with the ball. That's sensational. What a goal. He's scored a brace. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. Dallo with the ball. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. Nice pass. He's got the ball at his feet. Well cut out. Hoyland now. Dallo in possession. Here's Watkins. Oh, that's a really hard challenge. And he sees red. His manager won't be pleased with him. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. We're into time added on now. Tries his luck from distance. Keeper stayed strong. And there's a half-time whistle. A great display of football between these two teams.
In the
Let's hope
first
the
half.
half-time period
Sure, you can muffle them.
brought on a few substitutes for the second half. They're winning. Can they stay in control for the next 45 minutes? Some really fluid passing on display. The defender could be in trouble here. Sure, that's a great tackle. Oh, determined challenge there. Diaby. Anana saves. Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. Let's see what comes of this then. Oh, De Bruyne! That strike was off target. And the coach is changing things around. Dallo with the ball. Here's Garnacho. He's speeding down the wing now. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. And that's how it's done. 2 goals today from this exciting player.
Moussa Diaby on fire, 2 goals.
Now it's Shaw. So, a free kick then. That's it, he's off, his team are winning, but that red may jeopardise their chances of victory.
Match. Oh no, Ollie Watkins enforced out.
Diaby, and that's his hat-trick. He's been unstoppable today. Well, it's becoming a bit embarrassing for the opposition here. Yet another goal from this brilliant player.
Incredible Moussa Diaby. Today he scored 3 goals. Moussa on fire.
There are signs of approval coming from the manager. His side have put in a good shift today. Oh, we've seen some big tackles today. What a well-timed tackle. Well, you have to say there's not much chance of a comeback here now. Surely now. Fancies his chances from here. The ref has to do something here. The ref has shown him a yellow card. He'll have to work on his discipline. He tried to be a hero, but was never likely to hit the target from there. Let's take another look at that. The fans are demanding more goals. This could turn into a rout. Anthony has it. Wendia with the ball. A badly mistimed challenge there. The referee brings out a second yellow card, and he'll play no further part in this game. The manager wants someone else to take this free kick.
A high-tension match. Lots of big fouls, with 3 red cards and 6 goals scored.
Full time here, some tantalising football on display, and a comfortable win for this team. Great performance by this player. He fully deserves to be named Man of the Match.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And see you in the next video.